Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Yashica MG-1 updated. First, power up and verify batteries. Next, load 35mm film and align the leader on the K-cup spool. Advance the film until the frame counter moves and set ISO on the camera to match your film speed. Check shutter and aperture settings, then meter your scene and composition. Finally, practice a few blank frames to confirm everything is advancing properly. The Yashica MG-1 controls are simple and tactile, so get hands-on to learn. Turn the shutter dial to choose your exposure time, then twist the aperture ring to set f-stops for depth of field. The built-in light meter will guide you, and you can tweak exposure compensation for tricky lighting. Practice switching settings quickly so you can react to changing scenes without fumbling. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support future updates. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading camera manuals and photo essays effortless with a glare-free screen and long battery life, perfect between shoots. I find it handy for reference and relaxed reading during downtime. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Compose deliberately and take time to focus the rangefinder patch for the sharpest images. When lighting is low, brace against a wall or use a tripod and pick a slower shutter speed. Remember to always advance the film after each exposure and keep track of frame numbers. Rewind your roll completely before opening the back to avoid light leaks and ruin negatives. Enjoy the tactile shooting experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.